Alright, next one. I'm giving you f of negative 4. So I ask myself, where does negative 4 lie? This requires a little more thought. Negative 4 is less than 0. So notice it says negative x. So then I take negative 4, and I'm going to replace that with, I'm going to put in 4 or negative 4 for x, and I'm going to end up getting 4. So I now have square root 5 minus 4, which is the square root of 1, which is 1. Boom. You know what? So easy. So lemon squeezy. Let's go on and do the next one. F of 3. So I ask myself, go again, where does 3 lie? 3 is greater than or equal to 2, so I'm going to plug in there. So f of 3 is going to equal to the square root of 3 plus 2 minus 2. So square root 5 minus 2. And then I'm going to substitute this value back into this equation insofar as square root 5 minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So we have a question here. What is square root 5 minus 2 equal to? Well, you know the square root of 4 is 2, so that's a little more than 2. So it's going to be between what? It would have to be between 0 and 2. Let me explain that again. The square root of 5 is a little less than the square root of, or a little more than the square root of 4. Well, the square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 would be 0. So it's a little more than 0. So that would have to clearly be the second one. So I'm going to plug that in. So if we plug into the second one, we're plugging in square root 5 squared minus 1. Okay. Oh, no. Square root 5 minus 2 squared minus 1. Okay. If you're confused here, all I'm doing is I'm taking what I got here, square root 5 minus 2, and I'm substituting in for x in x squared minus 1. So instead of x, I have square root 5 minus 2. And then you solve. So this is going to be foiling out. So square root 5 minus 2 times square root 5 minus 2. Hopefully I can fit this in here. And I'm going to end up getting 5 minus 4 square root 5. Notice all I do is this times 2, following what we said earlier about x plus y squared being x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Alright, so you get that plus 4 minus 1. Consolidate terms, that's 9 minus 1, which is 8. So negative 4 root 5 plus 8. Boom. There's my answer. Okay, again, consolidate terms. Sorry, sometimes when I do math I go a little fast. 5 plus 4 is 9. Minus 1 is 8. Let me know how you feel about that. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you feel warm and fuzzy about math. See you in the next video.